Okay, everybody, thanks for coming. Well, thanks for coming to my presentation on VideoScribe. Unfortunately, I've only got 10 minutes to show you how great VideoScribe is, so I'm going to try my best to prove it. For those of you who've never seen VideoScribe before, who've never used it, it's simply software that allows you to do animated presentation. So I'm going to share with you some ideas as in why it's a good educational tool. To start off with, it's quite ideal for Key Stage 3, Key Stage 4, Key Stage 5, and all subjects. And you can create interactive presentation. You can also visualize concepts, or it's quite good when you revise, especially when exams are about to start. It's potentially cross-curriculum, and finally you can easily export the video. So once you create the video using VideoScribe, it's very easy to export. The next thing is I'm going to show you a tutorial which shows you in very basic steps how to use VideoScribe. So bear a few minutes with me.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our first tutorial on how to use VideoScribe. Once you have downloaded the application onto your computer, you need to log in first, and then the first thing you will see is a screen that lets you open a new project. You need to go to Create if you want to make your own presentation. Once you click on the screen, the first thing you see is a blank canvas, and you will also see at the top left a list of icons. The first icon allows you to insert a picture. If you click it, you can choose a picture from 5 different options. Your favourites, which is pictures you've previously selected, the library, which has pictures provided by VideoScribe, your computer, your own pictures which you have previously saved on your computer, Dropbox, and finally the web. Let's try to insert a picture now, and let's choose one from the library. I'm going to choose Travel and Transport folder and choose the picture from there. I quite like this lorry, so I'm going to choose this one. The picture is now being selected, and I'm going to click on Use Image to insert the picture. On the lower left there is an element menu which allows you to change a few things. You can change the style of the element you've selected. You can rotate the picture. You can change the colour and the time it takes for the pictures to be drawn. 30 seconds is quite a long time, so I'm going to bring it down to 2 seconds instead. If you want to see what the item would look like in the final presentation, you can click on the play button, which is on the top right side. The second icon allows you to insert a text. When you click the icon, a box will appear on the screen. You can click inside and write whatever you want to write. I'm going to choose Driver Wanted. Once you write, you can click the tick icon and the picture will appear onto the canvas. On the bottom left, there is a new element menu, which allows you to modify your message. For example, you can change the font, you can change the text alignment, you can change the colour, and finally you can change the time it takes for the message to be drawn. I think 2 seconds is the time I want now. Because I want the text to be on the side of the lorry, I can select the text and move wherever I want. Also, I can rotate it and make it bigger. If you want to see what the item would look like in the final presentation, you can click on the play button, which is on the top right side. The third icon allows you to insert some music. All you have to do is click the music button and select an audio file of your choice. Audio files go from calm to heavy. Once you've selected your favourite audio file, you can click on it twice and the music will start as soon as the presentation starts. I'm going to choose Orange Whisper, and I'm going to click the icon twice and I'm going to play the presentation. The fourth icon allows you to record your or somebody else's voice. Before you record your voice, you need to save your presentation, so let me show you how to just do it. To save your presentation, you need to click on the third icon on the top right and name your presentation first. I'm going to call it Test. Once I've named my presentation, I can now save it. You can now save it by returning to the home page and click Save Online if you want to access your presentation from any computer which has VideoScribe in it. Now that I have saved it, I can click on the icon and hit record to add a voiceover to your scribe. You will have to try it when you prepare your own presentation. Finally, the fifth icon allows you to access more advanced options. For example, you can change the colour of the canvas by selecting paper from the list. To show you an example, I'm going to choose light blue. You can also choose from hands and pens, the hands you want to use when drawing your picture or text. In order to do that, all you have to do is select the hand you like and click the picture twice. I'm going to choose paintbrush and I'm going to click it twice. If you click the play button, you will see what the presentation looks like. By selecting Vignette, you can change the shadings. Finally, Manage Font will allow you to use different fonts from the ones offered to you by VideoScribe. To do that, you have to click on Manage Fonts. If you click on System Font, there is a longer list of fonts to choose from. Once you have selected the new font, it will be part of the VideoScribe list of fonts. I'm going to choose Arial and click the OK button. This font will now be part of the VideoScribe list of fonts. I am playing the complete presentation. Thank you for taking part in this tutorial and I hope you get used to VideoScribe soon.
Now I'm aware there's lots to take in, but this video will be available in front of you to watch the video again. And also once you start practicing, it's very, very easy and straightforward. Thanks Olivia for helping with the voice. I want to show you now what I've done in the Spanish lesson with VideoScribe. When I tried this activity, the girls responded very positively because I normally use Spanish throughout the lesson, so when I have to teach grammar, I feel like I have to stop and go from Spanish to English, and that was a great way for me to continue to use the target language without switching from one language to another. Now, if you were to need more help and support, I'll be happy to make myself available on Monday from 3:30 to 4:30 in the library in Upper School, so happy to tell you a bit more. There's more to learn about VideoScribe, but today, because of the time, I just decided to go for the very basic. And do you have any questions? Yes? Is it Richard?
Yeah, sorry, yeah. This £116 a year, is that for a single login, or does that get you
For
more?
a single... I'm not sure if it works. I think it's... It's each login. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, but I think if you have one for the department, everybody can use the same one.
Okay, so can you upload it to Thur easily?
Yes, yes. Once you export the video, you can put it anywhere you want.
Yeah, and Thur accepts it quickly?
Absolutely, yes.
Okay, can you hear the music first before you insert it?
What do you mean?
No, all those music clips.
Yes.
Can you click
Yes,
and
yes.
hear it before
Absolutely.
you put it in?
You click the music, and then if you like it, you can click twice. If you don't like it, you can click twice several times. And you choose, once you choose the song that you like, you click that particular tune twice. Yeah, you can hear it before.
So you can hear
yeah,
it
you can.
And, well, this probably answered it, the last one. How easy, you had quite a few linked together then, didn't
Yeah.
you? But you just showed us how to do one slide.
Yes.
How would we do a second slide so it plays concurrently?
What do you, it's a white canvas that you're working on. So everything that you do, it's a whole presentation. You don't need to, it's not like a
Yeah.
no, it's
no,
a
but Prezi is the entire. You have one canvas, right?
yeah, it's
to
a
work
one
with.
single canvas that you're working on. So you insert the picture.
So you
the-
just do it in order of what you
Yeah,
want it. So
exactly.
I'd have like the van first,
Yes.
then I'd have the van driving,
Yes.
and then I'd have it stopping.
Yeah,
and
it's
it's
not like-
on the same page.
Exactly. It's not like a PowerPoint where you've got
that's
different
what I was
slides.
thinking. Yeah, yeah.
It's just one white canvas that you're working on,
Ah.
and you can insert anything you want, and it becomes one presentation.
Can you change the order of it after you've done it?
Yes, you can.
Ah.
But that comes with potentially a second tutorial, because there was a lot I had to learn, but I had to go down to the very basic.
Sure.
You know when you export it,
Yes.
because it can be played on anything, you don't have to
Anything.
have this system
No.
downloaded.
Once you export it, it's just a video that you can play anywhere in your PowerPoint, or you can attach it to, I don't know, you can play anywhere. Yes.
On the website or when you log in, do
Yes.
they have a range of tutorials that you can access?
Yes, you do. That's how I've learned. There are a few tutorials that you can look at, and I took one of theirs and I made it simpler because it was too much.
Cool.
Yeah. Anything else? So we've done with our presentation. Thank you very much for coming.